好，2025Paper 2B 嘅第2條 A 部分，咁咧你見到個 keywords 就係 physiological factors，咁marketing 入邊我哋講關於呢一個factors affecting purchase decision 㗎啦，呢一個就係。咁所以咧呢個就當然先睇咗去買啲咩先啦，咁係間 sportswear retail shop 嚟嘅，咁咧佢哋就話想睇翻一啲 physiological factors 啦，咁然之後同埋第二咧，見到佢嘅題目嘅 B 部分應該就係問 unity of direction 嘅。好啦，咁咧就當然你要知嗰個做法，咁4分兩個就唔即係好 common 嘅啫呢個做法。咁sportswear 啦，最緊要買嘅知道係。咁就唔好搞錯咗嗰啲 physiological factors 啦。咁所以咧就嗱呢個都重要嘅，佢就話將個 factor 同埋個 explanation 咧係各1分。咁另外就如果你有正確解釋，但係冇 factor 咧，都係唔俾分嘅。咁所以我覺得呢個反而重點要知，即係原來我就咁解釋咗啲樣，但係冇嗰個 factor 嗰隻正確嘅字眼咧，咁都係冇分。所以大家記得嗰啲 keyword，千萬記得嗰啲 factors。咁另外有一啲位可能大家要留意㗎啦，譬如講嗰個attitude 啦，係啦 belief and attitude 啦，我哋話，即係你要去講信念和態度，呢個就係 belief and attitude 嗰個 point 啦。咁第二個仲有就係perception 啦，係啦。咁呢啲可能寫嘅時候咧都係要留意。咁當然其實 physiological factor 出咗好多年㗎啦，咁所以其實大家都揀定，我覺得你4分其實而家揀定3個，至少有3個係真係熟知個解法同埋熟知嗰個嘅 explanation 嘅，咁其實都應該夠用嘅。咁我哋睇下啦，關成譬如有 learning 啦，有 personality 啦，有 motivation 啦 belief and attitude 啦 perception 啦，係咪？咁就逐個睇一睇啦。咁我覺得而家啲marketing 都幾好嘅，即係佢哋會而家揀得都幾清晰，咁所以一方便大家去睇。咁我將啲 keywords 我全部間晒做黃色，咁然之後啲嗰啲 explanation 就間翻做藍色啦。咁因為今次記得係一個sports wear 啦，咁所以 sportswear 其實你好多種寫，譬如買運動衫啦，買呢度你見到佢寫跑鞋啦，諸如此類。咁總之記得係 sportswear 就 OK 啦。咁就睇翻嗰個位咧，譬如你話記得 learning 其實就係同嗰個之前嗰個 experience 係有關，咁所以我都建議大家咧，其實係同嗰個past 嘅 experience 係能即係方面咧，原來同舊時個嗰個 past 嘅 purchase experience 有關啦。咁所以你見到呢度，譬如佢係寫如果佢過往咧喺呢度買過嗰對跑鞋咧，係佢滿意地 bought，你見到字係 bought 嘅 ，OK， 即係同 past tense 有關嘅。咁於是咧佢哋滿意喎，咁於是咧佢哋就會再幫襯再買啦，咁樣 OK。咁呢個就同 past 嘅 purchase experience 有關啦。咁咧第二就 personality， 咁究竟你個 sport shoes 係咪反映到你嗰個 character 或者個 personality 咧？咁呢個咧我就覺得我建議當然大家寫譬如 learning 係幾好寫嘅啫，呢啲 point。personality 咧就一定要揾到一個 personality 去 reflect 啦，或者 character reflect 啦，即係譬如你 casual wear 或者 sports wear 你反映係咩咧？即係至少可能我唔知啊，即係你都 sporty 啊，係咪？咁你係中意一啲即係一啲可能係你係個 healthy life 啊。不過 healthy life 呢個字咧都小心啲，因為 healthy life 有機會碌咗去lifestyle 嗰個諗法。咁所以 sporty 我覺得都 OK 嘅。咁或者可能outgoing 啦，係 outgoing 呢個字都幾好用。即係佢係點解所以就買啲 sporty wear 啦，係咪？嗰個人外向啊，中意戶外活動啊 sporty 啊咁樣呢啲。咁motivation 我都覺得好寫嘅。motivation 你揾到個 needs 就得啦。咁當然你譬如好似呢個例子咁啦，佢話 buy 個 indoor sports shoes for badminton for better protection， 咁呢個就係safety needs 啦，係咪？ 咁你話唔係喎？我想買對靚波鞋，咁講自己有嗰個 ego needs 咁一個，咁都得嘅係咪 ？ego needs 即係有自尊，我係中意 limited edition 係咪？咁你就睇下你中意寫啲咩。咁啊 believe in attitude 啦，咁啊你對於嗰個牌子，你對於嗰間鋪頭嘅 feeling 係點樣？所以我有時提啲學生就係呢個係一個 like and dislike 啦，咁所以你可以話係同對於嗰個 brand 咧個牌子係中意咧，咁係 OK。覺得某啲牌子係 more suitable 嘅，中意多啲或者中意啲運動咁樣。咁 perception 好中意用呢個字 stimuli 啦，寫翻好睇啲 stimuli stimuli 即刺激。有啲咩刺激啊？即係譬如顏色啊，你中意咩顏色啊？中意嗰個嗰個嘅 country of origin 啊 texture 即係個質料啊咁樣，咁都係可以嘅 OK。咁當然譬如我覺得日本製造嘅波鞋就好啲嘅 OK， 係啦咁樣，咁又話諸如此類咧，你自己中意得㗎啦，係啦咁樣。咁所以睇翻考生呢度其實都係同頭先考慮嗰個俾翻中文大家去望下嘅啫。咁我呢度快少少飛咗去。咁就learning 啦，譬如你見到呢位考生佢寫嘅時候咧，咁佢話有 learning 呢個字啦，見到咁啊，即係 sorry 應該用黃色嘅係啦。咁你然之後你見到 learning 佢就開始講一大扎嘢啦啊，即係咩changing 個 behaviour 又或者 gain new knowledge、accumulate experience 係咪？咁佢就話啊，過往咧就試過 positive 嘅一個嘅 experience，咁就佢買嗰隻鞋咧就好舒服嘅。咁因為你見到點解佢要揀 sportswear 因為同嗰個 related 有關，咁所以佢於是咧就 will purchase 啦 ，next time 即係下次又再買啦。咁 perception 啦 ，perception 咁唔好串錯字 per 啦。咁另外佢就話啦啊，我係對於運動牌子咧，我覺得美國嘅牌子嘅嘢咧就係 high quality 嘅，咁所以佢就會覺得佢就會 tend to 去 buy 啲嘢，咁所以你都係同個 perception 嗰呢個就係頭先我哋有講嗰個 country of origin 嗰個字啦。OK， 咁就係呢個美國牌子嘢啦。好，咁另外仲有就譬如呢度講 personality 啊。係啦 ，personality 咁就都係個 keywords 嚟嘅。咁sorry，都係個 keywords 啦。咁就1分啦，當然呢度。咁但係佢下面咧，佢就講咧就話啊，佢就話如果佢係一個 open mind 嘅人咧，佢就會 try different brands of。咁但係佢就覺得睇下先啊，佢呢個係 OK 嘅。睇下先啊，佢呢度寫個 relevant explanation of 係啦，佢呢個係有嘅 open mind，你所以試啲唔同嘅 brand， 咁佢呢個係 relevant 嘅，佢覺得 OK 嘅，即係 tick 嘅，咁所以呢度多1分啦。係啦，咁但係咧佢就然之後佢下邊再講嗰個 attitude 嗰個 point 咧，佢呢度係有嘅。係啦，呢度1分佢係有俾嘅，佢話 believe， 不過佢就話咧呢度咧就係個 incomplete嘅 explanation attitude， 佢就話 what if I like a particular sportswear retail shop， 咁因為佢可能佢講緊嗰位咧就係話中意買一間 retail shop， 不過我估計如果佢將嗰隻字咧將佢轉做嗰個sportswear 嘅 brand 咧，可能個 presentation 會好啲嘅，即係唔會用 shop 呢個字，即係佢哋我諗佢係想表達係 brand 咁解嘅，即係某個譬如牌子，譬如 N 字頭嘅牌子 ，A 字頭即係 Nike、Adidas 咁樣，譬如呢啲啦，係咪？或者而家有隻叫 Own You 咁樣，咁我哋都係 OK 嘅，咁但係佢中意個 brand，咁但係可能你就要講多少少啊，譬如佢係 trendy， 佢係 sporty， 或者佢係 high quality， 咁於是你就中意啦咁樣，咁可能呢度會更加之好，因為佢就咁話佢係 particular retail shop， 咁就 buy the sport because like it， 咁可能變咗我覺得我 incomplete， 我估係冇特別有一個字眼，咁所以呢度頂多都係1分，你去 miss 咗1分啦呢度就。咁中文就好少少啦，你會見到譬如有寫動機啦，係啦動機，咁然之後佢呢度寫話，有個即係 motivation 啦，動機即係啦。咁佢咧就有個 佢就話想 keep fit 減肥瘦身係啦，咁就應該係physical need 啦，你可以話係咪？咁所以即係佢維持 healthy 啊嘛，啱唔啱 healthy？咁所以佢就 physical need，咁所以就OK，咁所以1分嘅，即係俾埋。咁另外就 learning 啦，學習係啦，咁佢中文真係用譯翻學習嘅，咁就用個 past experience 咧，佢就話為咗嗰個咩產品而即係運動的購買或在其他到了為係啦。而咩嘅運動服零售購買咁樣，或者之前購買咁，所以佢呢度就話佢都係有嗰個解釋嘅，咁所以2分4分呢度就攞晒啦。OK。